Supreme Court prepares to rule on TikTok ban amid last-minute political maneuvering. The Supreme Court is set to deliver a pivotal ruling on Friday regarding a law that could ban TikTok in the United States, sparking a last-minute lobbying blitz by the app's representatives and political allies. The legislation, signed by President Biden in April, mandates that ByteDance, TikTok's Chinese parent company, divest its ownership of the app within 270 days, citing national security concerns over potential Chinese government influence and data misuse. If upheld, the law would take effect on Sunday, forcing app stores and cloud service providers to halt TikTok operations in the US. TikTok's leadership, including CEO Shou Chew, has been actively engaging lawmakers in Washington, warning of the sweeping cultural, economic, and social impact of the ban. With 170 million US users, TikTok is not only a hub for entertainment and creativity, but also a critical platform for influencers, businesses, and even communities in crisis. Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer has called for an extension, arguing that a forced shutdown would harm millions of users and small businesses. Schumer reportedly urged President Biden to delay the ban, fearing damage to his administration's legacy. Publicly, Schumer has suggested a sale of TikTok to an American buyer as a compromise, while introducing legislation to extend the deadline by 90 days. President-elect Donald Trump, set to take office on Monday, has signaled support for TikTok. Reports suggest he may issue an executive order to counteract the law, citing the app's value in connecting with conservative influencers and spreading his America First message. Trump has also invited CEO Shou Chew to attend his inauguration as a symbolic gesture of goodwill. The case has highlighted bipartisan concerns over national security, but political divisions have deepened as the deadline looms. Democrats warn of public backlash and disruptions to millions of livelihoods, while some Republicans view the ban as a necessary step to protect US data from foreign threats. The Supreme Court, which fast-tracked the case, heard arguments last week and appears likely to uphold the law. Experts note that the court's decision could reshape the US-China relationship, already strained by trade tensions and technology restrictions. The ruling could also redefine the future of social media in America, with rival platforms poised to benefit if TikTok exits the market. As uncertainty grows, TikTok has leaned on its extensive network of political allies and influencers, sponsoring events and advocating for a reprieve. Internally, the company has debated how to respond if the ban is enforced, leaving millions of users and businesses bracing for an abrupt shift in the digital landscape. The Supreme Court's decision, expected Friday morning, will not only determine TikTok's immediate future, but also serve as a defining moment in the ongoing battle over data security, global technology competition, and digital freedom.